First question, original bank question. Root x plus 46 equivalent to root of 22801. Root x plus 46 equivalent to root of 22801. Original question. Write down the options. 10812, 10816, 10816, 11310, 11310. Listen carefully to every concept. 11025, 10314, 10314, 10314. This is the question. Root x plus 46 is root of 22801. 22801 x value. Find the x value. 10812, 10816, 11310, 110, 2510314. First ANC way of solving. I will discuss all the problems. Do not waste your time in saying the answers. My viewers will not reply also. Root x plus root y is a root of 22801. 46 is an even number. 22801 is an odd number. Root of an odd number will always be an odd number. Something plus even is odd. So root x is odd minus even number. Odd minus even number is odd number. So root x is an odd number. X will be an odd number. X will be an odd number. Answer is 11025. 10 seconds to solve the question. What if? I will discuss one by one models. Method 1. You will not get a single doubt. No need to ask me any doubt. I know where all you will get a doubt. Please write down. You will fall in love with aptitude, and my viewers knows that we will try to solve question in multiple ways. Root x plus 46 is root of 22801. 46 is an even number. This is an odd number. Root of odd number is always an odd number. Root x plus even is odd. Root x will be odd minus even. Root x is an odd number. X will also be an odd number. There is only one option, which is 11025. This is by using number tree concept. Write down model by model so that you will understand which concept to use one. Number tree concept. What if more than one answer option as an odd number? Everything we will discuss. By the end of the class, I will try to change the way you look at simplification. I hope it is clear, right sir? X is an odd number. Method 2. Please write down. Method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Write down every possible method so that right from the basics to the high level, right after the class, you can take a class to your friends also on simplification without absolutely any doubt. Root x plus 46 is 22801. This is 10812. This is 10816. It is not in determining the answer. I will tell you why other are right or wrong also. 11025 and 10314. Method 2. See here. Root x is a perfect square. Root x is a perfect square. Are you all with me? For example, root 9. Root 9 is 3. 9 is 3 square. Root 16. It is 4. 16 is 4 square. Root 1521, which is 39. 1521 is 39 square. Another idea in the question. Root x is a perfect square. First option is not possible. Why? Because perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square, write down the concept as it is. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. So this is out. This is also out. This is also out. Why? Because any perfect square ending with 0, tens place should also be 0. 10 square 100, 20 square 400, 30 square 900, 40 square 1600. Any perfect square ending with 0, tens place is only 0. Next one, it is ending with 4. 4 is 8 square is 64. 12 square is 144, 18 square is 324, any perfect square ending with 4. Tens place should be an even number, tens place should be an even number, but 1 4, it is also eliminated. By knowing the perfect square logics, this is eliminated, and this is eliminated. I hope it is clear. Right, now we are stuck in two options. Suppose if more than one answer option, digital sum is same. Suppose if the option is 11052, right, these also is eliminated. Because perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Now root x plus 46 is nothing but root of 22801. Now listen carefully. I hope it is right. Listen carefully. What is the unit digit of this number? Unit digit of this number is 1. Unit digit means this could be 9 or this could be 1, because 9 square is 81 or 11 square is 121. So root of 22801, answer will be either 9 or 1. This is 6. This will be how much? This will be how much? 6 plus something. So if I take 5, root of 11025, unit digit is 5. So this unit digit is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11, unit digit will be 1. So answer is root of 11025. I hope it is clear. Right, sir? 5 plus 6 is 1. Right? Listen very carefully to every problem. Maybe in your coaching center some basic questions are discussed. It might work for few problems, but as you score it up, you will understand that what you are taught is very basic level. I hope it is clear. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. First option is out. Right? C and E are out. Any perfect square ending with 0, tens place will be either 10 square 100, 20 square 400, tens place will be zeros. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place will be even. First is out and third is out and fifth is out. First, third and fifth are out because of perfect square logics 10816 and 10. Suppose if I take 11025, unit digit is 5. 5 plus 6, it is nothing but 11, unit digit is 1. This case is not possible. Why also it is not possible? By using answer option we will discuss. By using traditional method also we will discuss. Listen carefully again. Srishti, again I am explaining. Root x plus, listen carefully to every problem. Root x plus 46 is 22801. Unit digit is 1. If the unit digit is 1, unit digit of the number for which we are squaring should be 1 or 9, or square root of 1 could be 1 or 9. So it will be 1 or 9. What is the unit digit of this number? 6. So what will be the unit digit of this? This should be 5, right? Because 5 plus 6 only is 11. What is the only option with the unit digit 5? 11025. What is the only option? It is 11025. I hope it is clear. Model 1, Model 2, Model 3. Again I will tell you, the heroes of today's class is not the problems. We will take a problem, we will discuss concepts through problems, multiple concepts through problems. 5 plus 6 is 11, 5 square is 25. Model 3, please write down. Model 3 or method 3. Method 3. Not only this problem, any question in square root, if you find it in future, you should use this approach. Root x plus 46 is root of 22801. 22801. Options are 10812. Second option 10816. Third option 11310. Just because you got answer, do not feel so happy about it. Right? You should know why the other 4 are incorrect. Then only you will feel extremely confident. Now, see here, root of 22801. Listen carefully. 22801. In method 3, I am discussing how to find the square root of a perfect square. How to find the square root of a perfect square. How to find the square root of a perfect square. How will we come to know whether the number is a perfect square or not? Already I discussed in Speed Max. I will repeat it. Every perfect square will have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Every perfect square will have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Back, repeat, may or may not be true. May or may not be true. May or may not be true. Every perfect square will have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Reverse, every number with digital 1, 4, 7 or 9 may or may not be true. Suppose if it is root 13, it is a non-perfect square. It is a non-perfect square because even though the 13 digital sum is 4, a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. I hope it is clear. Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful.